TrafficBolt AI Review, your ultimate social media automation solution. In today's fast-moving digital marketing world, staying ahead means using tools that save time, boost productivity, and deliver real results. TrafficBolt AI claims to be one of those tools, promising to transform how businesses handle social media. But does it live up to the promise? Let's dive into its features, benefits, drawbacks, and overall value to see if it's the right choice for you. What is TrafficBolt AI? TrafficBolt AI is an AI-powered platform built to simplify social media management. It handles tasks like content creation, scheduling, and analytics across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. The goal? To save you time, increase engagement, and help you grow your online presence. For those looking for more advanced tools, the Extreme version includes extra templates, capabilities, and training resources. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Key features. Here's what you get with TrafficBolt AI. 1. AI-powered content creation. It generates platform-optimized posts tailored to your audience for better engagement. 2. Social media scheduling. Plan and schedule posts for the best times across multiple platforms. 3. Comprehensive analytics. Track performance metrics like likes, shares, and comments to improve your strategy. 4. Template library. Create professional content with customizable templates. 5. Training resources. The Extreme package offers guides to help you maximize the tool's potential. 6. Beginner-friendly interface. Its intuitive design makes it easy for anyone to use. Benefits. 1. Save time. Automation reduces the effort spent on manual tasks. 2. Stay consistent. Regular posting becomes effortless. 3. Boost engagement. Optimized content and scheduling lead to better audience interaction. 4. Cost efficient. It's more affordable than hiring a full-time social media manager. 5. Scalable. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a large team, it adapts to your needs. Drawbacks. 1. Limited customization. Advanced users might find templates restrictive. 2. AI dependency. Automated content might lack a human touch, requiring manual edits. 3. Learning curve. New users may need time to explore all features. 4. Platform limits. It might not support niche platforms. How does TrafficBolt AI compare? It stands out for its affordability and simplicity. While competitors like Hootsuite and Buffer offer powerful tools, they often cost more and require more effort to learn. TrafficBolt AI simplifies social media management, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Who should use TrafficBolt AI? This tool is perfect for small business owners wanting an efficient social media presence, social media marketers managing multiple accounts, entrepreneurs looking to scale their business, freelancers offering social media services. Pricing and packages. TrafficBolt AI offers multiple pricing tiers, with the Extreme version being the most comprehensive. It's currently available at a discounted rate, making it an excellent time to invest in your social media strategy. What users are saying. Sarah T., small business owner. It saves me hours every week and has dramatically boosted engagement. John M. It's simple, affordable, and my go-to choice for social media tools. Emma R., social media manager. The analytics are fantastic. I can refine my strategy easily. Tips for success. 1. Use templates to maintain a consistent brand voice. 2. Regularly analyze metrics to adjust your strategy. 3. Schedule posts for peak engagement times. 4. Take advantage of training resources to boost your expertise. 5. Add a personal touch by interacting with your audience manually. Final verdict. TrafficBolt AI simplifies and enhances social media management with its AI-powered tools and user-friendly interface. While it has a few limitations, the time and cost savings make it a worthwhile investment for businesses of all sizes. Take advantage of the current special offer and elevate your social media game with TrafficBolt AI today.